up in the main heated shop here. Had swather, this piece back of the swather. But this fall while we were swathing, it cracked this all out back here, so I welded a little plate on there on both sides. Painted it back red. Got it nice and pretty, so I'm gonna go take that over and start putting her on the swath. So we're in the big machine shed here. Working on the Massey disc bind swather. This is a 2016 1383 13-foot disc bind. It's Massey Ferguson, built by Heston. We bought this thing in 2018. It was brand new then. I mean, it was a 2016 model, but it hadn't had any acres ran through it. Here's our baler. Now, this baler's the same case. 2016, bought it in 19, no baler, or no bales ran through it. Our other baler that we had before this one was the same case. It was a 16, and it was brand new. I burnt it down in August 1st to be exact, of 19, and we bought that one August 3rd of 19. So this piece is the whole piece that I was working on here. So guess I'm gonna get these bolts put back in, get this thing bolted back on, and there's a 7130 parked up in front of there, and I'm gonna grab the MX180 and pull it in the main heated shop and give it all the fluids it needs, and I'm gonna detail it because we're gonna go move a bunch of bales tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna get the heck out of here. Where's the off switch? Well, for those of you who are wondering, no, I don't have the swather done. But there's a skunk near me somewhere, and I really don't feel like getting sprayed tonight, so. Whew, that thing was close. Whew. Yeah, so I'm getting the heck out of there before I get sprayed. I'll put it back together some other day. It's not like we're gonna go out and use it next week or something. It ain't gonna be used till spring, so I'll open up this door a little more to the main heated shop here. This is not our big shop, but it's the one we use the most. Our shop at our other farm is actually way bigger. Because in this one, the MX takes almost the whole shop to get it in there. And our other shop, well, needless to say, right now it has 2 tractors in there. There's room I could put probably 3 more tractors in there. And there's all kinds of totes with chemicals and stuff stacked up in there, so. Hello, pigs. Pigs are enjoying their tubs over there. Dang. I'm missing those. Jesus, I can still smell that skunk. Ugh. I'm missing those last 2 nights where we had big bright moon. It was bright enough outside. Hop in the MX here. Oh. Turn the music down. Turn the lights on. Oh, this thing is cold. 24 degrees cooling temperature. It normally idles at 900, so 720 is a little bit low for this thing. Alright, so I just got the MX in here. As you can see, well, I got plenty of room behind me, but as you can see, it takes up the whole big bay. The entire big bay. I don't know if this thing would fit in the little bay there. This is how wide the doors are. Just check the radiator, make sure it had antifreeze in it and stuff. So that hay, that's from when I dropped the bale on it a few days ago. See if I got some glass cleaner. Wouldn't mind cleaning all these windows. suppose I don't. Well, that kinda sucks. Don't suppose there's any in here. Nope. Well, crap. I might just have to go with it. I would love to have these windows clean on this thing. I might take a rag and clean them all off. Well, I'm for sure going to take a lot of rag and clean them off. I better check the hydraulic fluid in this thing. This isn't in a very good spot for a dipstick. It's a touch above full, which is good. Slide the dipstick back in. Come on. Come on, girl. You can do it. There we go. So, I'm not going to be uploading very many videos because, well, most all we're doing is boring stuff like this. And I doubt you guys want to just sit here and watch me clean windows. Now, I will time-lapse this for you guys. But, so I doubt you guys want to see me just clean windows the whole time. So I'll get that time-lapse set up for you guys, and I'll get her done here. This thing looks a lot better than it did before. Windows are way cleaner. It left some streaks. I had to use shop rags instead of paper towels. I better close this hood. So it can't hardly be closed with the loader down. Let's crawl up top here like I'm doing. Alright. Yeah, that's way cleaner. Got the mirror finally flipped. Them big old toe mirrors on this girl. See if I can get out of here without breaking my neck or something stupid. Oh, crap. Open up the door here. Take this baby outside. It's currently 7:15. Mom's home, she's got supper ready, so I think I'm gonna take this outside, park it, and go inside, eat some supper, and call her a night so I can be back out here early in the morning and we can get rolling moving some hay. I didn't get the cab vacuumed out like I had wanted to, but I got all the trash cleaned out of it at least. Oh, much better. That side didn't get cleaned, but it's alright because I never use that side when I'm loading bales anyways. Wow, look at that view. That is fantastic compared to how it was. Because they all looked like that, except they were a little bit worse. And now they look like that. There's a few streaks and a few spots I missed, but it's very, very nice now. Alright, let's get this thing out of here. Get this loader lifted up here. Oh crap, this thing needs diesel. Well, I'll just have to get up earlier in the morning to take care of that. Make sure I can get out of here without hitting anything. Whee! I wanted to adjust the foot throttle down here a little too. Because that's all the higher it'll rev up with the foot throttle. And there's your max RPM, so. Junk around this shop. I don't want to hit any of it. There's gonna be a video coming soon of cleaning all that stuff. So, wow, this is nice compared to how it was. I'm not one to brag, but I'm pretty impressed. I didn't find any windshield or glass cleaner on the shelf like they're supposed to be. And I was cleaning out trash, and I got between the seat and the buddy seat here and found a can of glass cleaner, so grabbed that and started getting her cleaned. I'd like to have this thing parked in a barn, but we use it to feed cows so much I can't take it down to our other farm where we actually have a barn that's free to put this thing in. Lock the bucket, set the loader down. Shut this girl off. I'm gonna put my coat on first though. Holy cow, I ripped my coat up pretty good. Alright. Oh, it's dark. I'm scared. But I wish we had another barn we could park this thing in, because the big machine shed over there that I was just in a little bit ago, where I got scared because there's a skunk in there somewhere. The 7140's parked in it, and that's plenty for there. Alice Chalmers 185's usually parked in there, but we had it pulled out because we were using it today. It's usually parked in the little door. We got the 2956A Massey baler in there. The 1383 Massey Ferguson disc behind swath are parked in there, and the 7130, and that's about all that barn can handle right now until it gets completely cleaned out and reorganized and stuff. Gets cleaned out and reorganized, put a lot more crap in there. But all this junk that's here by the shop needs to go some point in time. That's what we're going to be working on the next few weeks, is getting all this junk out of here. It's bugging the crap out of me. But if we didn't use the MX to feed cows all the time, it'd be going down in the other barn. But I know some of you may be asking, can I take the 7130 down to the other barn and put the MX in this barn? Well, no, because the MX is too long because of the loader. There's barely enough room to get the door shut with the 7130 in there. And that's with me turning the wheels. If I didn't have the wheels turned, it would not be in there. It wouldn't fit in there. But the MX is too big with the loader, so it doesn't go in there. And nothing else can go in the little bay other than the Alice or our 1370 that's torn apart currently, or our 1070 that's torn apart currently. Because anything with duals is way too wide. So I think I'll see you guys in the morning.